That feeling. You just got that first credit message from your company. It feels amazing, right? But before you buy that iPhone on EMI or blow it all on a weekend trip, stop. I am going to show you exactly how to split your first salary so you can enjoy your life today without going broke tomorrow. Now, for the first time in your life, you have real money sitting in your bank account. It is an intoxicating feeling. Your immediate instinct might be upgrade everything. The phone, the wardrobe, the weekend plans. But I want you to pause because the decisions you make with your first few paychecks will either set you up for a life of absolute financial freedom or might trap you in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck for the next 10 years. Today we are cutting through the noise. No complicated jargon, no boring spreadsheets. I am going to give you a step-by-step bulletproof blueprint on exactly how to allocate or budget your first salary. Let's make sure you just don't make money but actually keep it. See, the foundation of personal finance isn't about restricting yourself. It's about organizing yourself. We are going to use the same 50-30-20 rule, but we are going to apply it to the reality of being a young professional today in India. The first 50%, half of your income goes to your needs. This is your rent, your groceries, your electricity bill, and your daily commute. These are non-negotiable survival costs. And if your needs are taking up 70% of your salary, you are living above your means and you need to rethink about your living situation. The next 30%, this is your wants. Yes, a full 30%. You have worked hard for this. Go to that nice cafe, buy the shoes, take that trip. This is your guilt-free spending money. Do not let anyone make you feel bad for enjoying your life today. But then, we arrive at the most crucial part. That's the 20%. This is your wealth building engine. This money does not exist for your present self. It exists entirely to fund your future freedom. Now, this is where you need to be highly alert. The moment you start earning, people will come out of the woodwork to help you save tax. And this might be your parents' insurance agent, your friendly uncle, or maybe even your bank manager. They will try to sell you ULIPs or endowment plans, policies that mix insurance with investment. Do not fall for this. It is the single biggest mistake young earners make. These policies offer terrible insurance cover and pathetic investment returns. Never mix insurance with investment. Keep them strictly separate. If you buy a traditional policy, you are locking your money in for 20 years just to barely beat inflation. We are here to build wealth, not just to preserve it. So, what do you actually do with that 20% wealth bucket? Execute these 3 steps in this exact order. Step 1. Build an emergency fund, and it is utmost important. Before you buy a single stock, put 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses into a liquid mutual fund or a high yield savings account. This is your financial airbag. If you lose your job tomorrow, this ensures you don't end up on the street. Step 2. Buy independent health insurance. Do not rely solely on your corporate cover. The day you quit or get fired, that cover vanishes. Get a basic comprehensive health plan for yourself while you are young and premiums are dirt cheap. Step 3. Start your first SIP in a Nifty 50 index fund. Don't try to pick individual stocks. Don't listen to stock tips on Telegram. Just buy the top 50 companies in the country automatically every single month and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Taking control of your finances from month 1 is the ultimate cheat code to life. To execute step 3, you are going to need a reliable low-cost demat account. I have done the research for you and I have linked the absolute best zero brokerage platforms down in the description below. It takes exactly 5 minutes to open an account entirely online. Click the link below and set up your account today and automate that first SIP. If this video brought value to you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so the algorithm knows to push good financial education. Stay smart, stay alert, and I will see you in the next one.